Let's examine three statements about artificial intelligence and determine if they are accurate. For each, we choose yes if it is true and no if it is false. Statement 0. A generative AI model undergoes training cycles for every individual prompt received. Statement 1. An AI agent functions by simply retrieving and outputting static data entries stored in a database. Statement 2. An AI agent employs a generative model to decide which actions to take based on the provided user prompt.
To analyze these, consider how AI systems operate. First, think about the life cycle of model development versus the moment a user submits a query. Next, reflect on the core difference between a standard database query system and an intelligent agent. Finally, consider how agents process complex instructions compared to simple information retrieval. These concepts help define whether these behaviors are characteristics of modern artificial intelligence.
In my view, the correct answers are as follows. Statement 0 is false because generative models perform inference when processing requests, not retraining. Retraining is an intensive process typically performed offline. Statement 1 is also false because while AI systems can utilize external knowledge bases, they fundamentally synthesize new content rather than simply copying and pasting from a database.
Statement 2 is true. Modern AI agents leverage the reasoning capabilities of generative models to interpret user intent and determine the appropriate actions required to fulfill a request. For your exam, remember that inference is the standard operational mode, and agents are distinct from simple lookup tables because they have the ability to interpret and act on information dynamically.